guys. Okay. Dito tayo second game. Rain or Shine versus Talk and Text. Siyempre, Rain or Shine tayo dito. Sobrang exciting ng laban.
Time out, TNT. Kaya naman, kanini. Let's go! Sige sa atin! All players, please proceed to the shaded area in front of your respective benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum.
Wala, Olats, talo tayo. Uwi na, ito ulit ang tito nyo. Nanonood ng PBA ngayon.